Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be showing you this JASLITE 72 watt work light. So this item was sent to me to do this video, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me go ahead and first unbox these, and I have an ATV that I think these will work on, so I've been needing some good headlights for it, because the headlights came with it are kind of dim and not real bright, and I like to go outside in the forest at night, so hopefully these are going to be really good on that. Let me go ahead and take it out of the box here, and there's two of them in here. They're actually pretty heavy. I mean, there's some weight to these. They're not made out of plastic, that's for sure. They've got a pretty heavy duty like steel base. This is glass. I don't want to drop it on here because it definitely would probably break it. Lots of LED lights there. Plastic front, but it seems to be pretty thick. Of course, there's two of them. Whoa, be careful with the glass table here. They seem to be, you know, we got two of them there, and good, nice, heavy-duty protected cords there. And we got some mounting bases here. These are actually, and these are not plastic either. Okay, this is some heavy-duty metal stuff here. All right, nice, thick mounting hardware. So yeah, you know, there's not much else to do. Let me go ahead and install these on my ATV, and then we'll do some testing with them, and we'll see how bright they are. So we got our ATV running here. Let's go ahead and turn our lights on. Wow, check it out, man. Let's go ahead and let's start driving. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. That is bright, buddy. I mean, I'm talking lighting up the forest. take a trail here. Baby, check it out now. I can see anything, anywhere. Whoa! All right. Well, there you go. Works awesome. Bright lights. Can see 100 yards in front of me. Perfect. Love it.